You will need 150 milliliters of cream and about 150 grams of dark chocolate. So let us start making it. Into a saucepan, add in the cream. Now heat this cream in low flame until it starts to simmer. You can substitute the cream with non-dairy whipping cream or dairy whipping cream or low-fat cream or even milk, but milk will not give that richness to it, so it's up to you what you want to use it. I prefer non-dairy whipping cream. So this has just started to bubble up. I am going to switch off the flame and I am going to add in the chopped chocolate to it. Now shake it a little bit and leave it for about 2 minutes. It's been about a minute. Now I'm going to drop in a few cubes of butter. This is totally optional. If you want to add it, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Now we're going to stir this. Our ganache is ready. Use it as you prefer. If you want a whipped ganache, you can chill it for a couple of hours in the refrigerator and then you can whip it using a beater and you'll be ready to go. If you want a glaze, then it's the perfect time to use it. You pour it over your cake and enjoy. You can also freeze this ganache and use it anytime you prefer, and by chance if you want a glaze and you have already thickened up your ganache, you can again melt it down in a double boiler as you melt your chocolate and you are ready to go.